Tired of lugging out your heavy, bulky pressure cleaner or hearing the noise and smelling the fumes? You need to get the jet. Introducing the amazing Water Jet. It turns your ordinary garden hose into a super power washer. Perfect for when a pricey pressure cleaner is too much power, but a hose is too little. Powerful enough to clean second-story windows, remove wasp nests from a safe distance, and reach under eaves without motors, gas, or electricity. Here's how it works. Water flows through the volume reduction chambers, where pressure builds until a powerful jet stream blasts through the precision-engineered solid brass tip. The stainless steel control valve easily regulates the water pressure and the force of the jet stream. It's your economical solution for those tough outdoor jobs. Blast grime and weeds off brick and paver driveways. Gets into all those hard-to-clean nooks and crannies. Great for wood and aluminum siding, umbrellas and awnings. It attaches to any garden hose, so you can take it along boating and camping. The 30-inch wand easily reaches into tight spots, and it's built to last with heavy-gauge aluminum, stainless steel, and solid brass.